Hey guys, I am so excited to share with you a fashion haul. I just got in a huge box from Justfab. I have become such a fast fan of this brand. I started working with them not that long ago on Instagram, and then they reached out and were like, how about a YouTube video? And they basically let me pick whatever I wanted. So it was really fun shopping and like outfit planning. One thing I will say about this stuff, it's priced so affordable. You can sign up and get a VIP membership. It's even less. The cost of these items, it drops like dramatically when you sign up as a VIP member. It's almost like a crime at how low these things are priced. So that being said, these things sell out really, really fast. So if you see something, grab it. There's definitely been a few times now where I'm like, oh, I'll get that next week or next month, or I'll come back to that, and then I go back and it's gone. So the sizes sell out quick. They do a ton of collaborations with a lot of influencers and like reality stars, which is probably why they think these things sell out so quickly. But I will put all of the information in the description box below on how you can sign up to be a member. When you sign up, your first item, like anything on the site, is like 10 bucks. So crazy. Like you can get a beautiful pair of really expensive booties for $10. And speaking of booties, oh my god, I got so many pairs. I think I now own 5 pairs from Justfab. They're so affordable and the quality is amazing and they look designer. So I'm gonna try some of this stuff on, style it up for you, show you how I would wear these things, what I kind of had in mind, and yeah, I hope this is helpful. I'm losing light, so I'm gonna try to run through this really quickly. Daylight savings time, kill 'em. All right, like I said, quite the collection. So this pair was a more recent purchase than my last one. I've been trying to find like the perfect pair of snakeskin booties. These are super trendy, but they also are very neutral in my opinion. And I love these so much and how they fit that this time around, I went in and I got them in the bone color, which will just match with everything. These white booties, you've probably seen in a few Instagram posts. These are one of their more popular styles, and this one also comes in a bunch of different colors. Suede, I have them in a tan suede too. They also come in the python, and I wanna say even a leopard. This is probably my most favorite pair to date, and they are so comfortable on. I'm gonna show them to you on. They're like a blush crocodile. They have a little kitten heel, so super easy to walk in. And these are beautiful. They are like a black stiletto booty, pointed toe. These are great to dress up any outfit. I'll show you another way to style them with a skirt too. So let me get some of these clothes tried on with these boots. All right, so my whole outfit here is Justfab. Starting with this black bodysuit. I've been wearing it today in Instagram stories and my DMs are blowing up about it. So it is a bodysuit. It has a cute little like puffed ruffle sleeve here, 3/4 length sleeves. The jeans are their booty push-up jeans, and I love that they have a button-up fly. I do believe these are sold out. These were in my last order. And then here are the black stiletto booties. So freaking cute. They make your legs look super long. I'm only 5'4", but the jeans mixed with these I think make me look a lot taller than I am. So I'm wearing a size small here. I'm not sure about the pants, but I'll put across the screen. And then my booties, I did my true size 8.5. I don't think I can ever have enough of these like teddy coats. I love the color of this one. It's very neutral, and then it has these fun varsity stripes along the waist and along the sleeves. This is a size small. I think the small is already sold out, but they do have all the other sizes available. I could have easily done a medium. Super warm and cozy. I wore this out in the dreary rain today, and it kept me really warm. Has a nice folded collar. And I like the length on this too. Another thing I love about Justfab is they sell really trendy items. So you can stay up with the styles that are happening, and they're very reasonably priced. So you're not like spending a fortune on something that's not gonna be next season. So this skirt is so cute. It's giving me like the Cher from Clueless vibes. It's plaid, it's super, super soft. I have it on with the same bodysuit. Love bodysuits with skirts, just sucks everything in, fits really well. And then I have those same black stiletto booties. I would even like put some tights on. I think you could easily do tights with skirts. They have really cute tights nowadays. Like do like black sheers, the like white or charcoal gray wool ones. This is just a really cute fall ready outfit. Throw on a cute little black moto jacket. I absolutely love this outfit. So we have the faux leather skirt. The material is very soft, very stretchy, has functional buttons going all the way up. so it's really easy to get on. And then there's a little tie here. And then I love this shirt. It is a little bit low cut, but it has like a little snap here. But then you also could pin it again if you needed to. And then it wraps to here. I love that the shoulders have like this little puff sleeve, just makes it really feminine. And I love the color of it. It's like a terracotta leopard. Really, really cute. Just living in these boots. But I think this is such a cute outfit. So here you can see it better suited with jeans. And then I have on those gorgeous Claya booties, which I gotta tell you, it feels like I'm wearing flats. But you do have that little kitten heel, so it lifts you off the ground a little bit. This shirt is so cute. You very well could do a front tuck if you wanted to, but I think I like it just left out. The sleeve and like the feminine little puff is so pretty. So I love this. I'm wondering if it came in other colors or prints or styles, because I just really love the cut of this shirt. And it fits me really nice. I definitely need to hit this with a steamer. I just ripped it out of the package, but this is so cute. It has little bell sleeves, has a built-in collar, so you don't even need a necklace. And then I have on the same jeans and these amazing Western booties in that bone color. This is so cute. It's giving me like Austin Powers vibes with the bell sleeves. And it has a pretty deep V, but I actually have on like a V neck or like a V-cut bra, and it's completely covered by the shirt, so it's not extremely like plunging. I really like this shirt. I think it's super cute. Drape down, love these booties. I'm picturing like all of these outfits just with like a black moto blazer, like black moto jacket thrown over top of it too. Would be really cute. I love me a good white shirt, and again, these boots, I can't say it enough. They are so beautiful. So beautiful. And they have a really nice comfortable fit to them too. And the heel, it's a block heel. It's not crazy, so very easy to walk in. I think I saved the best for last in this sweater dress. So the best part about this dress, I'm gonna see if I can turn this around, is the back. It's like a twisted wrap in the back, and it's just really loose. I do have a bra on, so it's not super low cut, so it'll be covered up. But this dress is so soft, so comfortable. I love the high neck. I love that it has like a balloon sleeve. I have them on with the Western booties, but I'm also going to put on an over the knee boot so you can see it styled a different way. This is beautiful, and I love the color of this too. I love this dress even more with a knee-high boot. And these are not from Justfab, but they have very similar options, tons of options actually. The other thing I was thinking is you can totally ditch the sweater belt that they give you that comes with it and just opt in for like a traditional belt, even maybe in a different color, just to switch it up a little bit. The little belt loops that are on the dress are very thin, so you won't see them, and they could be easily covered by a belt. This is like the epitome of fall style, I think, in my opinion. So cute, so cozy. I love that you can still have a bra on. It's a great length. Love it. That concludes my Justfab fashion haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, at least got some inspiration for some fall styles, skirts and boots and booties. I am just really impressed, like with the brand, with the quality. All the information will be in the description box below. If you want to sign up as a VIP member, you do like a little quiz just about your personal style, so they can recommend styles for you, but you do have access to shop the entire site. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.